Exclusive, in the forefront, paparazzi first. He is probably the hottest Korean star in Asia today, gaining millions of fans and topping the charts with his singing prowess, sold-out concert tours, cool dance moves, and remarkable acting chops. In 2008, Hollywood beckoned and he starred in Speed Racer. The following year, he took the lead in Ninja Assassin. He is Jung Ji-hoon, but his name is Rain.
Hello.
How are you? Welcome to the Philippines. How many times have you been here in the Philippines?
네, 이번이 공식적으로는 두 번째인 것 같고요. 네, 굉장히 행복합니다. This is sept.
Can you tell us about this drama shooting, this new TV series that you're shooting here in Manila? Of course, also with TV5.
여러분들 촬영을
It's about thrill and action called Fugitive, and then he's shooting a lot places in the Philippines.
한국 이름으로는 이제 도망자라는 제목이고요. 여러 가지 액션들이나 본격 탐정 추리극이고요. 그리고 여러분들이 아주 좋아해 주실 수 있는 그런.
Yeah, right. And aside from the Philippines, Rain, I know that you shot in other Asian countries. This is a big drama. So how many countries and which countries have you shot in? Aside from the Philippines.
일단
He went to 6 cities and 5 countries for shooting Fugitive, and then it's like a movie scale.
촬영을 하고 있고 마치 어떻게 보면 영화 영화 같은 지금 버짓과 스케일로 찍고 있고요. 그래서 아마 여러분들이 좋아해 주실 수 있을 거라고 믿습니다.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. I mean, you know, the story sounds great and very exciting. How do you find shooting in Manila? Are you having fun? Is it interesting?
마닐라.
He loved Manila before, and then especially Cebu. Yeah, he also recommended other friends about the Philippines, and he's loving it.
제가 또 추천하기도 했고, 그래서 이렇게 촬영을 하게 돼서 굉장히 행복합니다.
Wow, thank you. We appreciate that very much. Rain, we've seen you in acting, in singing, in dancing. What are we going to look forward to here? What kind of Rain will we see in the future?
He'll continue singing and acting, and he is looking forward to show you guys more better.
모습을 늘 보여드릴 것 같아요.
Alright, thank you. Rain, one last, just a message to your Filipino fans. Millions of fans here in the Philippines love Rain. If you can tell them to watch Fugitive here on TV5.
네, 여러분 안녕하세요. 네, 오랜만에 찾아뵙는 것 같고 그리고 처음으로 찾아뵙는 것 같아요. 많이 사랑해주셔서 감사하고 도망자 많이 사랑해주셔서 감사하고 또 플라우스 많이 사랑해주셔서 감사합니다. Hey, what's up, Philippines? I'm so happy to be here. I love you. Thank you.
There you go. His name is Rain. Thank you very much, sir.